Hi, Spencer. This is Adam from OCC. I wanted to ask you a few questions about your company.
Sure.
So I noticed you and your company have previously used our services in the past, and I was just wondering, what caused you to switch?
We decided to go with a different brand due to budget issues.
Hmm. Well, as a company, what can we do to go beyond our competitors' services?
We're looking for a company that is in our price range, but still does top notch work like your brand did in the past.
Oh, okay. Well, great. Honestly, I'd love to set up an appointment with you for next week, and maybe start exploring different options, that we can and different routes we can work towards.
That'd be great. We can get in touch then.